Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to send a message in Twitter. So for that, open the Twitter application and then get logged in into the account. So once you're at the home page of Twitter, you need to tap on the mail icon at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Tap that mail icon, which will direct you to your inbox where you will be able to send messages to the other Twitter users. So here you type in the mail plus icon at the right side, and this will give you the option to choose to whom you want to send it. Tap on that user profile name and then tap on next. Now you type in the message, tap on the arrow, and this will deliver the message to that person. So this is how you can send a message on Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.